Well, this is either gonna go great or horrible. Let's see which one happens. What's up and good morning, everybody. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to this video. We're going to be cleaning up some brush that we have from a storm. Let me show you some pictures about it. Well, we're going to have to take care of that before too long. It just summoned all the ice on the trees, made that one lay over. I've got another one too, let me show you. And there's another one right there. You can see where it broke. Right there in the middle of the screen. That's where it broke. Now that's laying down. So that would have to get fixed too. Well, we found some more broken stuff, so we're gonna have to clean this one up too. See how much it's all just laid over? From right there and up there. Yep. And this is how much rain we've got. It's showing all the low spots that we have running back to the barn. So I hope this shows you how big those limbs are that we're gonna have to clean up.
One eternity later.
I didn't realize that there was 3 of these. I thought there was 2. But there's a 3rd one. How am I gonna do this? Decisions. Okay. Woo! This is a workout. Alright, let's back her up some more. Back her up, Terry. pile because of the trees over there. Let me give you guys a little bit closer look. This is where those trees came out. There's 3 different stumps, little stumps as you can see. And now we're gonna go on to the branch that came down. Now we have this pile from the branch that came down. Now that we got this one all down here, we're gonna move back to the big one that fell across the property line, and we're gonna start cutting that one up. So the neighbor started this one, and let me show you guys what all we have going on here. It's a big spider web of branches. So let's start cutting them out and getting it cleaned up. quite a bit done today. Let me show you, because I gotta go pick up the little girl from school. We'll continue this project as the week goes on. We got this all cut out and a bunch of small stuff there. These are a little bit bigger of the pile, or sticks, whatever you want to call them. They're bigger in diameter than these. And we got most of this one cleaned up on this side. We're gonna have to follow it back onto his property a little bit and cut some of this up as well. Hopefully he'll come out and help me one day this week. And then we got this whole one already ready to be done as well. This one's gonna be a little tricky because of all the big limbs in it, because it can't, one split off of that one and one split off of that one. Well, this is either gonna go great or horrible. Let's see which one happens. You guys aren't gonna see anything from down there. Well, I got most of them off. I think I moved the trailer a little bit with the strap too, dragging the limbs. Hey, it was fun. I had to try it. We're all set up now for the next time that we start cutting on that big ones. There's the bigger diameter, just to give you a frame of reference where we're at. Progress update. It's coming. This is the remnants of what is left. So big shout out to Mr. Greg, my neighbor. Thank you very much. This is what we ended up with on the trailer. And the bigger stuff's right there. Thanks for hanging out with me, and here's to another day of living out here.